by Manuel Salvador Enestrosa Lemus, Module Learning Outcome 3. Globalization basically means that the economies of various countries in the world become more and more connected to one another. Advantages. One of the main advantages of globalization is that people is connected. Thanks to technology, the boundaries of time and distance have been overcome. Now people can communicate with everyone around the world and travel everywhere very fast. Economies are connected. Thanks to the global market and the presence of big companies worldwide, the economies of a lot of countries depends on each other somehow. A great example could be our global currency, the dollar. If the dollar rises, a lot of countries could experience economical issues. Thanks to a lot of companies that have presence worldwide, the economies are also connected. Exponential growth of knowledge. The ability to communicate and share information with everyone has led humans to increase their knowledge. Technology. The technology improves exponentially and every day we see new innovations. 21st century is called the century of information. Disadvantages. Data management and use of it. All the information gathered from social networks is safe. Could someone use that information for bad purposes? Thanks to globalization and technology, we could gather a lot of data within seconds, and thanks to big data, we could process it in seconds. All this information is stored in servers, but thanks to glitches in technology, bad people could have access to it and misuse all that information. Privacy. One of the main concerns about globalization is that privacy is not longer a guarantee. When you are connected, your privacy is always compromised thanks to technology glitches or to misuse of technology or misinformation. Globalization can ruin local economies. The local economy of a country could be seriously damaged with globalization. This happens when a country starts importing everything or more than the production of the country. Environment. Globalization can ruin environment. Along with capitalism, globalization is ruining the environment exponentially. It is said that we have reached time zero. ONU has proclaimed that humanity has until 2030 to limit global warming to 1.5 Celsius degrees, or we might face the consequences of global warming. Some of the consequences of global warming are dryness, epidemics, extreme hot temperatures, massive immigrants, floods, global poverty. Being global. Globalization basically means that the economies of various countries in the world become more and more connected to one another, so everyone that contributes in some way to this process could be acknowledged as a global person. Some examples of global persons. Someone that uses social networks. Social networks allow people and companies to be in touch with the entire world, allowing them to promote their products or meet new friends around the world. Global products. Someone that buys important products to their country is contributing to globalization. The disadvantage of this is that this can ruin local economies. Conclusion. To be a globalized person, we need to know how to use technology and its risk implied. We also need to be well informed. We need to be aware of the serious damage globalization is causing to our planet and start doing something to avoid it immediately before it's too late.